Hi everyone, my name is Memetjan Kurban. I'm Uyghur doctor. I'm gonna be talk to you about health is wealth. Everybody knows health is wealth is a very famous word that refers to the importance of health to us and clear that health is wealth. I was doctor. Maybe some people can't believe me because I don't wear white coat now. Almost 10 years, I was working emergency and surgical operation for the digestive system in hospital. 2003 year, I went to Japan for studying and working. I was teaching nursing school for anatomy and mental disease almost 3 years. That's why I want to talk about health. If we are not healthy, don't feel in the state physical, mental, and social well-being. Wealth means nothing to us. From my experience, I'm gonna recommend one, everyone good quality sleeping. Everyone eating and drinking very slowly. If you eating or drinking fast, always you're gonna die. I think good quality sleeping is very important. Most people think that humans have a sleep 7 or 8 hours, but that number is average in the world. Doesn't fit everybody. Even most men and women have different sleeping time because most women need a long time for sleeping. Reason is women blood lower than men. Blood is moving oxygen to brain. That's why women's brain no enough oxygen. So feel sleep, want to sleep. If you have good quality sleeping and add or plus eating and drinking slowly, exactly you're gonna health. But I know those things not easy. If you eating and drinking slow, you can feel food is very delicious and good for your diet and teeth and others. If you're gonna very fast, imagine that your teeth almost doesn't work. Hormones have 3 important glands. Glandular secretion doesn't mix food faster that food into stomach. Broken down could well be very difficult by gastric acid. Even brain signal doesn't catch your fast action. If you doesn't believe me, look around your eat faster people, almost fat people. If you're eating and drinking slowly, your brain system will be very happy because brain system order that signal action is very slow, or digestive system organ action or moving is very slow. That's the reason your action will be very fit that brain system. So our health is really wealth. We should always try to be healthy. Thank you.